Short questions. Why the valency of group 2 elements is 2? The valency of group 2 elements is 2 because the elements in the group 2 are concerned with the filling of the s orbit. By using valency, write the chemical formula of carbon dioxide. The chemical formula for carbon dioxide: CO2. Carbon atom is joined with 2 oxygen atoms by covalent bond to form one molecule of carbon dioxide. In the formation of an ion, Y magnesium atom loses 2 electrons. In the formation of an ion, magnesium loses 2 electrons from its valence shell to attain the stable octet structure. How could you relate the formation of chemical bond with valence electrons? Valence electrons are outer shell electrons. They can form chemical bonds. In single covalent bonds, both atoms contribute one valence electron to form a shared pair. With the help of Venn diagram, compare and contrast between cation and anion. Cations. Anions. Positive charge. Negative charge. Loses electron. Gaining electron. Metal. Non-metal. Briefly explain the formation of chemical bond as a result of electrostatic force of attraction between atoms. A chemical bond is an attraction between the nucleus and valence electrons. Electrons have negative charge and nucleus has positive charge. When atoms come close to each other, attractive and repulsive forces increases. Electrostatic attraction holds the 2 atoms together and form a chemical bond. How H+ ions and O2 ions different from each other? Hydrogen atom with 1 valence electron needs 1 electron to complete the first energy level. Oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons and needs 2 electrons to complete the second energy level. Long questions. Write the steps for writing a chemical formula. Illustrate with few examples. 1. Write down the symbols of the elements. 2. Above each symbol write its valency. 3. Cross the valency of both elements. 4. Simplify the valency to least level, if possible. 5. Write the chemical formula. How chemical bond is formed? Explain in detail with the help of an example. A chemical bond is an attraction between the nucleus and valence electrons. Electrons have negative charge and nucleus has positive charge. When atoms come close to each other, attractive and repulsive forces increases. Electrostatic attraction holds the 2 atoms together and form a chemical bond. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Phys Education and press the bell button for early notifications.